There are several reasons why you might experience excessive sweating during sleep, also known as night sweats. Here are some common causes, and this Dr. Tobias. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Stress and anxiety. High levels of stress and anxiety can lead to night sweats. 1. Hormonal imbalances. Hormonal changes, such as those occurring during menopause, pregnancy, or due to thyroid issues, can cause night sweats. 23. Medications. Certain medications, including antidepressants, steroids, and painkillers, can lead to excessive sweating. 4. Infections. Infections that cause fever, such as the flu, pneumonia, or more serious conditions like HIV, can result in night sweats. 3. Sleep environment. A warm sleeping environment, heavy bedding, or sleepwear that doesn't breathe well can cause you to sweat at night. 1. Alcohol and caffeine. Consuming alcohol or caffeine before bedtime can increase your body temperature and lead to sweating. 1. Medical conditions. Conditions like hyperthyroidism, diabetes, and cardiovascular disorders can also cause night sweats. 23. If night sweats are frequent and interfere with your sleep, it may be a good idea to consult a healthcare provider to determine the underlying cause and appropriate treatment.